Okay, we cleaned and oiled the Necchi 525FA, I think it says on the back. And I got did that little bend on the bobbin winder so that it's pushing that. So let's get all these stitches tested. I'm going to start with my dial on straight stitch. There's a center stitch. And it just pulled the thread out. I didn't leave enough when okay. I didn't pull the thread far enough out, I don't think, when I threaded it. So let's try that again. Okay. I just had the threading gadget, which I found in one of the machines, and because I'm working in the garage and don't have any of my real sewing stuff in the garage, I just have some of my fix-it stuff out here. I have not yet put a pair of scissors out here with my garage fix-it mess, so okay, let's try this again. Now, let's see. Alright, straight stitch. This is a thick piece of fabric and it seems to be having a good tension there, so we'll reverse works, and we've got the straight stitch has an option for offset needle, and then there's an array of zigzags for letter C. Go, and just check that out. We didn't miss any side of the zigzag. Looks like our bobbin tension is high for the zigzag. To even that out, we gotta turn it up a little bit. And that evened that out. Okay, let's see, D is our zigzag triple. Yep, that stitch is coming out okay. Zigzag blind stitch. F is a box stitch, so it's two stitches, crossover, two stitches left and right. That's working. Letter G is a regular blind stitch for a blind hem. That's doing just fine. And now we've got, let's try our buttonhole. So we should be able to get, all right, there is the end of the buttonhole, and now the left-hand side. And it is stitching forward, and then buttonhole back. Alright, with a buttonhole stitch that should do just fine, or with a buttonhole foot that should work out just fine. So I'm gonna go to our stretch stitches, so we'll go back around to A, and we turn our dial to all the way around past 4 to the SS for stretch stitches. Alright, and that is a triple straight stitch where it weaves back and forth. And this is the same stitch on the side. Very nice. C is the zigzag stretch, so very nice. Oh, D is the hex design. That's always a... Alright. That one came out okay. Okay, that's one of the chevron style stretch stitches. F is a... Alright, and G, which is a stretch blind hem. I do have a razor out here that I could be cutting stuff with. There we go. So all those stitches came out real nice. So this Necchi, the issue it had was just a little cleanup and a lube. I didn't have a pedal with it when I got it, so I had to replace the pedal. But otherwise, it is in good shape, and it hasn't started developing any binding underneath. So I think this machine is ready to go already. So it's a quick service, adjusting the bobbin winder, and away we go.